Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is that time again, time to get cooking. Today I am making a wonderful side dish. I'm making a loaded cauliflower casserole. Oh, this one is so good. It is perfect for Easter or really any time of year. It's a low carb, keto friendly recipe, so if you have anyone in your family who is watching their carbs, this one is great. A lot of times people will substitute cauliflower instead of potatoes because cauliflower does not have as much carbs than potatoes do. But anytime you add bacon and cheese to something, I mean, it just makes it yummy. So adding it to cauliflower, oh, you just cannot go wrong. So let me go over the ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So what I have here is 1 head of cauliflower, and I have just taken the florets and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then 1/2 cup of sour cream and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I have 1 bag of Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. And then I have 4 slices of bacon that I have just cut into pieces, and I'm going to fry it until it's crisp. And 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, and then you will just need some salt and pepper. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I want to steam this cauliflower. So I'm just going to add some water, and that was just 1/3 cup, to my bowl. I'm going to put on the lid on, and I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about 4 minutes, just until it steams it slightly. Just frying up the bacon. So I've added my cream cheese to a large mixing bowl, and it has been sitting out at room temperature. And I'm just going to add my sour cream. And I'm also going to add my garlic powder and onion powder. Then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Just going to mix this together until it's smooth and creamy. All right, now I'm going to add about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of this cheese blend. So I have drained the water off of my cauliflower, and I'm going to add it to my cheese mixture. And I'm just going to gently stir this into my cheese mixture. Now my cauliflower is still slightly firm. It's not like mush or anything. So the cauliflower will start to melt that cheese, and it'll make it a little bit easier to mix together. Oh, this is already looking good. All right, so then I have my baking dish, and I have sprayed this with some nonstick spray. I'm just going to pour this cauliflower mixture into my baking dish. And this is a 7 by 11 baking dish. Now, if you have a bigger head of cauliflower and you end up with a little bit more, then that's fine. You may want a bigger baking dish. All right, so I'm going to spread it out. And then I'm going to sprinkle with just a little bit more cheese. And then the bacon. Okay, then I'm going to bake this in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Oh, it looks and smells amazing. And I sprinkled a little bit of parsley on top just because that's what I had in my fridge and I think it makes it look pretty. But if you had some green onions or chives, that would also be really good. I can totally see how you could have this instead of potatoes. I mean, you're not gonna miss them. All right, well, I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. This one is a good one.